Hey everyone, welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel. It's the same day. And guess what? I've decided instead of making a tuna casserole that we are going to make a chicken Alfredo for dinner. So I have my water boiling over there for the egg noodles, which I'm going to use instead of any other noodles, but any noodles is sufficient for this recipe. So we're going to use Italian seasoning, black pepper, granulated garlic, onion powder, a little kosher salt. I know I don't use that much salt, so I do have some kosher salt back there. I've already soaked and cleaned the chicken. These chicken breasts were super thick, so I sliced them in half. Thus the reason we have so many pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and put the noodles over there in that water. I got the grease heating up for the chicken in the front burner, and we're going to get this party started. Okay, so I have the noodles in there. We're just going to make that, follow the instructions pretty much. I normally oil my chicken, but because I'm frying it, I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to add some. There's no set measurements on this, you guys. Just season it to your tasting, how you like your Alfredo to taste. I like garlic powder, so I always use garlic powder, pretty much everything. A little bit of onion powder. We got some pepper here. I'm using my iPhone now, y'all. I'm switched up because I'm still uploading videos from earlier on the iPad, so. Some Italian seasonings here. We're going to flip it and season the other side of it. If I can get it turned over correctly here. Okay. Don't worry, I'm going to rinse my containers off because I got fingers wrapped up in this chicken, so I always rinse off my containers before I put them away, so don't be concerned about that. No contamination in the household. Okay, and I'm gonna get some pepper on here. The grease is hot. That's how I know. Get a little bit of that, throw it in there, start sizzling, you're good to go. Now we're going to take some of this kosher salt, just sprinkle it on top. We don't need that much kosher salt, just a sprinkle, you guys. It's very, very salty. Don't forget, you don't need that much kosher salt. Okay. Got that done. All that seasoned, coated, good. We don't take that much for chicken to get seasoned, so we're good. Stir this back here. See how it's coming along just fine. The noodles. We're about to get popped. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Sister can't get popped over here now.
Put your card on the table, man.
Hold on. Alrighty, so we're gonna get popped with grease. That's why I don't fry nothing, y'all. I'm afraid of grease. In case y'all didn't know that, I'm a baker. I will bake in a heartbeat. I'm gonna go ahead and toss these in here, okay? See that? Hear that sizzling? No flour. No flour. We're not making fried chicken. We're just gonna basically get this done so we can cut it up and put it on top of the noodles once the noodles are done, along with the Alfredo sauce. And no, I'm not making homemade Alfredo sauce tonight. It's late. I'm tired. And I'm actually ready to go upstairs. Now, you don't want to overcrowd your meat, but I can get it all in there in one scoop. So I'm not going to waste time and try to get another frying pan. Okay, so I have that. It's not on high. I have it on number 3. And let me get I will need a plate for sure. The noodles are ready to come out. I'll tell you that now. I'm gonna try it. See how we looking over here, you guys. Oops. Yep, they're done, you guys. So I'm just gonna drain the water off the noodles here. Turn this backfire off. Chicken looks pretty good. Let that finish cooking. Get the Alfredo sauce out. You guys, I don't know if I'm gonna I'll be using ragu. Okay, just a classic Alfredo sauce tonight. Now, there's several ways you can do this. You can heat up your sauce in a separate dish, which what I'm going to do is, because I'm not organized tonight, because I wasn't planning to make this, I'm going to get a smaller dish out of here. Pour about half of that jar in there. I'm going to heat this up on a back burner. You just want enough sauce, basically, to cover the noodles. And since he's the only one eating tonight, that will be plenty. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are on the road, for real. Probably what I'll do, oh, that sauce is popping back there, hold on. Just turn that down on low while the chicken finishes cooking here. Does it look like I'm far away, you guys? If so, I'm so sorry. Let me see if I can bring you closer to me. Hold on. Let me see if I can get you a little closer to me without... I'm going to put you on pause for a second. Is that a little better, you guys? Let's try to... How's that? Is that better? See me? Yeah, let's get closer to me. You just look so far away from me. I want you closer. I'm going to go ahead and turn these. Look the back side brown. Smells good. Smells really good. This bigger piece I'm going to let sit in there a little while longer. As long as I get his piece out of here and cut him up and get him on his plate, we'll be fine for tonight. In case you don't know, I told you I got a lopsided stove here. So I use those little things to balance it out. I don't want grease on one side of the frying pan. So let me just let that do what it's doing. A few more moments. Let that finish cooking on the back side. Ooh, that smells good, y'all. This house been on fire for the last couple of days. I ain't lying. All right, so let's check this chicken now that I have the seasonings put away. Turn these last two pieces. Oh, this chicken smells good. Oh, I kid you not, it smells good, y'all. I bet my neighbors can smell it. I bet my neighbors can smell it. I'm sure they can. Let me check on this Alfredo sauce back here. Because all it really needs to do is heat up. Abracadabra, baby. We working this. You know, kind of don't do no heavy cooking hardly on a weekday. Job, no job. I'm not doing all that cooking. I am not doing all that heavy cooking during the week. Yes, I do know how to make homemade Alfredo sauce. Yes, I do. Okay, this is looking good, you guys. It's looking really, really, really good. It's cooking good. It's gonna be nice. There's some really tiny pieces in here that I'm gonna pull out shortly. So I'm gonna start pulling this chicken out. I don't want to block the camera, so let me go this way. There's some little pieces of chicken in here that I sliced up that I just want to pull out. There, it's done. This would be something I'll sample on. This little piece right here, you can't even see it. See? Just that little tiny piece. Maybe my sampling piece tonight, y'all. Okay, so we're just chicken around a little bit. Put it directly in the center. Turn this big fat one around into the middle here where the fire is. This smells good. All right, I gotta sample this piece of chicken. Hold on. Let me get a fork. Let me see how this piece of chicken tastes with all them seasonings on it. Tender as usual, as expected. Here. See? I know it's done. See how thin it is? It doesn't take that long for that piece of chicken. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're good, y'all. We good, y'all. Yes, indeedy. Good to go. That'll be done shortly. This tastes good, you guys. On top of the Alfredo sauce, it's gonna be popping. Just the right amount of seasonings in here too. You can actually see the Italian seasonings on there. Sorry. I only had that fat flush soup today, so I'm grubbing on this chicken. My cat in the background. Wanted to be noticed. Wanted to be on YouTube tonight. Oh, this is good, guys. I got my temperature gauge in there. Well done. It's done. Yeah. That's the biggest piece we have in there. So I am going to turn this front burner off. And give me a second because I'm going to go ahead and plate his up and take the chicken out of here. And then show you the finished results. Okay? How about that? Is that a fair deal? Let me show you how the chicken look before you go. That's the chicken. That's the pasta. Alfredo sauce is right there. As you see, it's bubbling. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and plate this up right now, you guys. Okay, so I'll be back. Just give me a few seconds. I'm going to go ahead and plate this up, and I'll be right back, okay? Thanks. All right, you guys, got it plated up. I did drizzle some parsley on top of it just for decoration. You can also use paprika if you want something of a red color. Of course, feel free to use any of the seasonings that I use or seasonings of your choice. I can tell you the chicken does smell good with the seasonings that I used. I actually have 2 large pieces of breast on top of this plate. I did use all of the noodles in the Alfredo sauce. So I blended in the sauce with the noodles, plated it up, and then cut the chicken in slices and placed it on top. If you prefer, you can mix it all together because eventually that's how it's going to go down the system. So it's really up to you. But yeah, this is the finished product. This is his dinner for tonight. And I know it's probably going to be late before I get on that tuna salad, which is my next upload. So I'm going to take me a break here, do some laundry. I got to fold some clothes. And then we'll see how the evening progresses. If I don't get to the tuna salad tonight, it'll be first thing tomorrow morning. All right. So God bless you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for sharing the video. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you for subscribing and also hitting that bell next to it so that you will know when I upload my next video. Until then, God bless and have a wonderful evening. See you in the next upload.